Hi guys, I'm Hemant Sharma from Batch 6. Today I'm going to explain merge sort. Merge sort is a very famous algorithm for sorting. It is an old algorithm even used today for sorting, and it is also known as divide and conquer algorithm. Basically, it divides the array into two halves and calls its halves and then merges the sorted halves. It is stable and cooperative sorting and algorithm having the lowest bound comparison for sorting algorithm. In merge sort, first it finds the middle point to divide the array into two halves, then calls the first half and then calls the merge sort for the second half. Later, it merges the two halves in the same array.
Now I am going to explain the merge sort here by the algorithm and the code. Here basically the merge sort, it uses function merge sort of array, empty array L and R, where it firstly it finds a middle point to divide the array into two halves, like middle M equals to L plus R minus 1 by 2, and it calls the first half by using merge sort function of array and length L and M. Now it calls the second half of the array. Let's say merge sort array M plus 1 and R. Now after getting sorted, now it will merge the both sorted arrays by using second and third step by calling merge array L, M and R. Now I am going to explain the code, simple code for merge sort. Here basically I am using Python, and they're using merge sort function of array R. Now here they're checking length of array should be greater than 1. Now they'll find the mid of the array by middle equals to length of array by 2. Now they'll divide the array into two halves. First left half equals to array of slash mid, and the right half equals to mid slash. So basically divided into half. Now they'll sort the left half by using merge sort L, and they'll sort the right half by using merge sort R. Now the condition is I equals to j equals to k equals 0, where the incrementing I, j, k equals to 0. Now they'll copy the data into temporary arrays L and R, where they'll check I is lesser than length of L and j is lesser than length of R, and they'll check if L of I is lesser than R of j, then they'll equals to, now they'll equals to array of k equals to L of I. Now they'll increment I, whereas they'll array of k equals to R of j. Now we'll increment j. After it finishes, we'll increment k. Now if any element was to check whether any element is left, they'll check while I is lesser than length L, array k equals to L of I. Now increment both I and k, and finally last they'll check for j is lesser than R, same array of k equals to R of j. Now they'll increment j and k. Now to print the list, here using the function of print list array for I equals to range length of array. Now print the array. This is basically the simple array where its example where its array is given in 12, 11, 13, 5 and 6. Here by printing the they'll print given arrays and they'll print the list. Now they'll merge sort it, and so this array will get sorted, and they'll print the list by using print list function.
The applications of merge sort are used in external sorting and inversion count problem. It is also used in sorted linked list in n log n times. Merge sort is a recursive algorithm, and time complexity can be expressed by the recursive relation t power n equals to 2tn by 2 plus times of n. It is also solved by using recursive tree method or master method. The time complexity of the merge sort is power of n log n in all three cases, like worst, average and best. As merge sort always divides the array into two halves, it takes linear time to merge just two halves. The drawbacks of the merge sort are, firstly, it is slower compared to other algorithms for the smaller tasks, and it takes n times additional memory space for temporary arrays, and lastly, it It checks the whole process even if it's sorted array.
The difference between quicksort and merge sort are quicksort takes less additional storage space, whereas the merge sort takes more. And the worst case complexity of quicksort is times of n square, where the merge sort worst case complexity is times of n log n. And the merge sort is more efficient and the quicksort is inefficient, with the sorting method of the quick sort is internal and the merge sort is external. And the quick sort is used for smaller data, whereas the merge sort is used for larger data.